Hey everyone, welcome back to GLO Tech. If you've ever wondered what the return keyword actually in Java, stay with me. So even if you've just started learning Java, you're gonna get this. Alright, let's start simple. In previous videos, you probably saw me use methods with the keyword. That just means the method doesn't anything. It finishes and that's it. But what if we want our method to actually give something, like a number or a result we can use later? That's where the keyword comes in. And instead of, we use a data type like or even. Check out this first example. Java static int my method int x, return 5 plus x. Here, I'm adding 5 to whatever number I pass in. When I call, it returns 8, because 5 plus 3 is 8. And in, I print that result. Boom, instant output. Let's level up. Now I've got a method that Java static int my method int x int y, return x plus y. I call it with and again, we get 8. But this time, you can see how methods can process multiple pieces of data and still return a single value. Super handy. Now here's where it gets practical. What if I want the result later? Easy. Just store it in a variable. Java int z equals sign my method 5.3 systemout.println now holds the value 8. This makes your code cleaner, especially if you need to use more than once. So that's return values in a nutshell. Whether you're printing directly or storing the result, return values let your methods do real work. And got questions? Drop them in the comments. And if you're curious about Python, web dev, or networking, let me know what you want to see next. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you never miss a tip. Thanks for watching, and keep coding.